Your garden is literally baking to death right now, and your daily watering routine is probably making it worse. Surface watering your plants in the middle of a heat wave just evaporates instantly and leaves the roots shallow, weak, and totally exposed to the extreme heat. If you want your plants to actually survive the summer, you have to change your strategy right now. First, you need to switch to deep watering. Stop doing those quick daily sprinkles with the hose. You want to water less often, but way deeper, and only do it early in the morning or late in the evening. This forces the roots to grow further down into the soil, where it stays cool and damp. If you can use a soaker hose or drip irrigation, even better, because it puts the water exactly where it needs to go without wasting a single drop. Next, you need to treat mulch like it is absolute gold. Bare soil in the summer is a death sentence for your plants. Throwing down 2 to 4 inches of straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves acts like a giant cooler for your dirt. It locks the moisture in, drops the soil temperature, and stops the sun from turning your garden bed into concrete. You also need to get ruthless with your weeds and your harvests. Weeds are basically water thieves. They steal the exact moisture and nutrients your struggling plants desperately need to survive. So rip them out immediately. And when your vegetables are ready to be picked, do not leave them on the plant. Leaving overripe produce forces the plant to waste precious energy that it should be using to fight off heat stress. Also, stop blasting your stressed plants with heavy chemical fertilizers. Pushing for rapid growth during a heat wave is a terrible idea because the plant simply cannot support it. Stick to gentle, slow-release organic stuff if you really need to feed them. If you want to get really smart about it, start using your plants to protect each other. Let your tall sunflowers act as giant umbrellas to cast shade on your shorter, more sensitive greens during the hottest part of the afternoon. Summer gardening is not about pushing your plants for massive growth. It is all about survival and smart defense. Protect the roots, lock in the moisture, and your garden will easily outlast the worst heat waves.